Okay, for you to pay your school fees or print your remitter, just search EBSU portal on any of your browser, Google or anything, just search EBSU portal there. And once it opens, you will see the first link, which is portal.ebsu.edu.ng. That's the first link that will come up if you search EBSU portal. You can click on the link and it will take you to the website. You just have to wait for it to load, and once that's done, then you enter your username, which is usually your reg number and the password. If you have not changed it, then your username and your password is your reg number. And once you log in, the first thing there is to select your session. So here you have to choose the session that you want to pay the school fees for, which is the year that you want to pay the school fees for. So you select the year and then you continue. And if you are a new student, you will see something like this. But before we continue, if you need past questions or any study material, just search Studentsdash on any of your browser and it will take you to the website. Once you're here, you can scroll down and check the material that you need, or search the particular course code that you need the material. I'll still show you how you can search, but just take your time and scroll down. Then at the top, you can see the search bar there. Just type in the course code of that particular course and it will show you the materials available for that particular course code. So if you have any question, you can still contact us or drop a comment. So back on the school fees stuff. So once you are here, you can see that the school fees is showing false. You have to select your level first, and then you have to choose if it's full payment or half payment you want to make. After that, you tap on continue, and here you can see generate remitter, and if you click on that, you will see the remitter be generated, and you just have to save that as a PDF and then go to the bank or anywhere to pay, or cybercaf, or you can still pay with your phone, which I'm not going to show you how to do it. I'll make another video on that, but this is how you can do that. And don't forget to visit Studentsdash for any study material or past questions. Just search Studentsdash on Google and it will show you.